Hi, I'm Andrew Berry and welcome to At the Bench's YouTube channel. I've been doing a little bit of reminiscing and I've been thinking, I remember those good old days when I had a nice brand new soldering block. These are small about 5" by 1" square little, I think they're called like magnesium blocks, not really sure, soldering blocks to me. And I remember the days when I started off with a lovely clean fresh block like this one. Over the days, over the months, over the years of working with it, it gets marked like this one here. You've got bits of mark, you've got bits of solder stuck to it perhaps, you've got flux stuck to it. Turn it over, you can reuse the other side. But do you know what? It just looks at getting tired, doesn't it? And I've been using this one for about a few months now. This one, oh my gosh, this is one that we've been using here on At the Bench for, well, quite a few years now. Not necessarily every day, but as you can see, it's absolutely filthy dirty. This side, yeah, pretty clean. But this is a soldering board, and this is something that I have been using for many years. And look at the state of it. Now, it's not good to keep using something like this because you've got bits of flux stuck to it. When you heat up a ring or heat something that is on the block here and there's bits of old flux stuck to it, the flux will melt, the ring will stick to it. You pick up the ring and it pulls part of the block off with it. It's not good. But let's quickly show you a very quick technique to basically restore these bricks back to perhaps not quite this sort of brand new condition like this, but very similar. And I think you do need to do this once you realize that your board is looking really tired. So I'm going to quickly take you downstairs outside to my next door neighbour's wall. That's where we're going to be doing the work. Come and join me. Right, so this is my next door neighbour's wall. It's a lovely smooth wall, and we're just simply going to rub this against the wall. And as a result, we're getting a nice clean brick. And there we have a brick, gorgeous, not quite back as new, but much better than that side. So there you have it. One little soldering block looking pretty much good as new. Better than that side. Nice and smooth. We've taken off all the flux, all the little bits and pieces, all the crusted bits of whatever. Nicely cleaned on that one. I tried it on my soldering board here. There's a lot of deep pits in this board, as you can see all around this area here. Did exactly the same thing with the board. Just rubbed the board on the wall. Bit of a brush off now. Get all those loose little crummy bits that come off the board. And we've got the board, we can start using it again, and we've given the board a brand new lease of life. I know these things don't cost that much, but why throw them away when they still got a lot of life left in them? So there we go. That's how to rejuvenate your old soldering blocks to make them back as virtually good as new. Don't forget, please subscribe if you haven't done already. Please share this film with your friends if you think that they would be of interest in what I've shown you today. Also, please give this film a thumbs up. Please like it and whatever you want to do with it. And don't forget, smash that little bell icon to be notified when films go live on our YouTube channel. But in the meantime, my name's Andrew Berry for At the Bench's YouTube channel. Take care. I will see you on the next film. Bye-bye.